In this tutorial, I will explain the AutoCAD 2D commands. So this is the AutoCAD 2015 student version. From 2009 version onwards, the graphic user interface is almost similar to this. Here you will get various tabs. This is the Home tab. This is next Annotate tab. Something like this, you will get various tabs here. Under each tab, you will have different ribbons. This is the Draw ribbon. Here you will have all the drawing commands. Next, this is the Modify ribbon. So here you can find all the editing commands. That is trimming, extending, erasing, mirror, move, copy, rotate, scale, etc. Then this is the Annotate ribbon. Under this Annotate ribbon, you can write text in the drawing. So this is the Layers ribbon. What is a layer and how to use the layers, I will explain this tutorial a bit later. So these are the different object properties ribbon. So here you get the enquiry commands. These are the enquiry commands. Under this ribbon, you get the enquiry commands. So that is the user interface. This is the graphic area. Here you will have the zoom and pan toolbar. Now I will start with the drawing commands. So in the previous version, we are familiar to use the command prompt. So here also you can use the command prompt. This is the command prompt available. But the easy method to access all the commands is using the ribbons. If you want to use the command prompt, what is the command name that you can observe here? Line is the command name. Shortcut for line command is L. Okay. When you want to work with the ribbon, you just click on the command, that's all. If you want to invoke the command through command prompt, you type the command name, full name or short name. If you start typing name, automatically you can get the short name. In brackets, you will get the full name. Okay. Then press enter. Then the command will be activated. So here, once the command is activated, it will ask some information here. When the line command is activated, it is asking to specify the first point. So first point I am specifying somewhere here. Okay, that is my first point. Then immediately it is asking to specify the next point. Next point you can click somewhere here. Then it is asking next point here, next point here. Something like this, you can click number of points. When you want to terminate the command, then press enter. The command will be terminated. Here it won't display anything. It will ask you to type the command. In this way, you can use the command prompt and ribbons. Now I want to draw a rectangle using the line command. Okay, I'll take a line command, line, and here, somewhere here I am picking the point. Then I want to draw a rectangle. That's why to get the horizontal and vertical directions, you want to restrict your mouse only to the horizontal and vertical direction. That's why you press F8. Once you press F8, this is restricted to horizontal and vertical dimensions only. My rectangle length is some 500 mm. 500, enter. Okay. Then my rectangle height is some 200 mm. 200. Okay. Now you keep the mouse towards your. So here you are keeping the direction with the help of mouse, and you are entering the length with the help of keyboard. Okay, 500. Enter. Keep the mouse in the downward direction. 200. Enter. Then your rectangle is ready. Press enter to close the command. But it appears to be very small. To fit this rectangle into our screen, you have to go for the zoom command. So here all the zoom command options are available. But if it's not available there, then you can take the help of command prompt also. Z is the command for zoom. Z, enter. Then you will get the zoom command. Here you can observe so many options. To fit this into our screen, you have to go for extends option. To go to extends option, you have to type E. Here capital letter E. That's why you have to type E. E, enter. Then the rectangle is fitted. Observe here. This rectangle is fitted into our screen. Okay, you can scroll wheel in your mouse particular scroll wheel also you can use zoom in and zoom out. Okay. So I am using this scroll wheel and zooming this to this size. Or you just go to zoom command, just enter, and you just press enter another time, second time. Then automatically you will get some icon like this. This is for zooming in and out. Okay, right click and exit. You are exit from the zoom command. So here if you observe, so this particular mouse icon you will call as crosshair. When this crosshair is displayed, no command is activated. Once you go to any command, suppose I am going to the circle command, then automatically the crosshair is changed to plus mark. It is asking to specify the center. Okay, I am taking the center somewhere here. Okay, and it is asking to specify the radius. So radius is some 50. Now with this center, radius is 50, you got circle. Okay. Now observe here, I have another command called polyline. Polyline means if I start drawing a line like this, you can track this point. If you want to track this point, F3 function key you have to use to turn off and on the OSNAP settings. So here I want to get this endpoint. With respect to this endpoint, I want to track this point like this. For that, you have to keep OSNAP in on. Suppose OSNAP is in off. Observe here. Now the OSNAP is off. Then you can't get this endpoint. Again, I am pressing F3 function key. F3 function key is for OSNAP on and off. Again, press F3. Then OSNAP will be on. You will get this point. You can track this point like this. Okay. Then you can close the rectangle like this. This rectangle I have drawn using the polyline command. This rectangle I have drawn using the line command. The difference is here you can select individual segments of this rectangle, but here you can't select individual segments. The entire rectangle will be selected as one particular object. That is the difference between line command and polyline command. So for drawing circle also different methods are there. You can practice all these methods according to requirement. You can select the method. This is the arc command. For drawing arc also so many methods are there. First method is 3-point method. You can select any 3 points like this to get the arc, and automatically the arc is generated. Okay. This is the direct rectangle command. To use the direct rectangle command, what you have to do is you select the first corner point. Then the syntax is you have to use @ symbol. @ length is 500, comma width is 200. Then automatically 500, 200 rectangle you will get. Okay. Then this is the ellipse command. So center, here you can observe the method with the help of this icon itself. This is center, half of the first axis and half of the second axis distances you have to give. Okay. First in this method, half of the first axis is some 100, enter. Half of the second axis is some 25. You will get an ellipse like this. Half of the axis length we have given. Now check the total length. This total length will be 200. This total length will be 50. That you can observe. So here we are not able to see the dimension text. To improve the dimension text, what you can do is go to annotate. Go to this particular tab. Go to manage style. Then you will get this dialog box, or you can go use the command dim style. Then also you will get the same dialog box. Command name is dim sty. Dim sty. LE also you can type if you want. Dim sty LE style, dim style. Then go to modify tab. Then go to fit and increase this to some 4 times. Then you check the primary units here. Decimals are not required for me. Okay. Then OK. Set. Then OK. Now after you can see the text very clearly. This is total is 200. This total is 25. We have given 125. This total is becoming 50. Okay. Now again go to the home tab. Now these are the other methods to draw the ellipse. Here total major axis length and half of the minor axis length you are giving. Here this is a part of the ellipse. How to apply hatching? So then go to hatch command. Here you will get one option, pick point option. Now right now you are in the pick point option, this pick point option. So when you are in the pick point option, if you select the region, a particular region, if that is bounded by that is completely closer region, then automatically that particular region will be highlighted, something like this, or something like this, or something like this, like this. Okay. So now this region I want. Okay, select this region. What type of hatching you want? This type of hatching. Okay. Line density you want increase. Then you have to go for the scale, line type scale. This you increase 10 times. Okay, not 10 times, increase, or you increase it to 3 times or 2 times. Okay. In this way you can just type the required number and press tab. Then you can see the effect of it. Okay. Now I want this. Then close it. You will get this particular hatching. Okay. Suppose again I want to apply hatching. Now again go to hatch command. Here I want to apply hatching. So here closer boundary not to be determined. The meaning is somewhere some gap is there. Now you try to observe that gap. Come out of this hatch command. Just check the gaps. Go to zoom command. Take the window and check it. Here a small gap is there. Because of this gap you are not able to apply the hatching. Okay. So when you want to apply hatching there should not be any gaps. So that is about draw command. Then come to modify tab. So in modify tab you will have various modify options. So once you draw some entities, your job is not yet finished. You have to arrange those entities to get the required form. So in general you want to draw any machine drawing. With the help of these entities you have to draw some coupling or some quarter joint, key, etc. Then in that case you have to modify the entities. For example, I take a circle like this. I draw a rectangle like this. Okay. Actually my requirement is to keep the circle center at the midpoint of this particular edge. But I have drawn this somewhere here. I have to change its position. Then what we have to do? We have to go for move command. Okay. Or I want to keep one circle here. I want to keep one more circle here. For that you have to go for copy command. For example, I am making a riveted joint. I will draw one rivet like this. I will draw one rivet like this. I want to keep this kind of some 30 rivets. Then simply go to copy command, copy it for 30 times. If you are doing it manually, how much time it will take for one rivet? 5 minutes. For 30 rivets, 30 into 5, 150 minutes. But here using CAD for 1 minute. For drawing one rivet, only 1 minute. For drawing 30 rivets, just copy and paste. That will take another 1 minute. 2 minutes are sufficient. That much time, 150 minutes are reduced to 2 minutes. That is the advantage of CAD. Okay, that is the advantage of this copy command. Okay. Now observe here. I want to move this circle somewhere here at the center of the rectangle. Then go to move command. Here it is asking to type a command. Once I select any of the modify commands, then automatically this prompt will change it to select objects and you are getting a big box there. It is asking to select objects. whenever you are getting select objects, you have to use some object selection methods. So the objects in selection methods are individual picking like this. This is one method. Or if you click and drag from your right hand side to left hand side, something like this, then you will get a crossing option. This option is called as crossing. The object, any object which is just touching the boundary will come under selection set. There you can observe the objects which are just coming are coming under the selection set. Okay, only two circles, two small circles are completely enclosed. The big circle and rectangle is not completely enclosed, even though all are selected. Now I can move all, something like this. Okay. Then again you want to go back to the previous step, you go for undo, you enter, that is the undo command. Now again I am going to the move command. Now I am clicking from left hand side to right hand side, something like this, left hand to right hand. Then how many objects are selected? Only two small circles are selected, because when you are selecting from clicking and dragging from left to right, then this is called as box option. In this box method, the objects which are completely enclosed only will come under selection set. Now observe, the circle is not completely enclosed, the bigger circle, that is coming under the selection set. Okay, when it rectangle is completely enclosed, that is coming under the selection set. Otherwise it is not coming under the selection set. Okay, so that is the advantage of the box method. Then I can select only this. You keep the midpoint, press enter to select the complete the select objects part. Okay, and pressing enter. Now it is asking to specify the base point. This is my base point. Then I am picking the point somewhere here, that is the destination point. Okay, it is just similar to moving an object. Suppose, what is this object? This is a remote control. Okay, I want to shift this remote control from my right hand to left hand. In that case, what I have to do, first I have to select the object. After that I have to hold the object at one place. Now I am holding the object at this place. Where I am holding the object, that is called as base point. Where I want to keep it in my left hand, this is called as destination. Okay, on my left hand somewhere here. Here I am again holding with the left hand. So this is the destination point. Something like this. It is just like our physical activity. Here in AutoCAD also, to move any object, you have to hold the object at one particular place, that is called as base point. Then you have to keep the object at one particular point, that is called as destination point. Okay. Now I want to move this circle to this particular midpoint. Then again go to move. Now I don't want more, I want one more copy, then go to copy command. Then it is asking to specify the object. I am selecting the object by crossing like this. Okay, my select objects part is over. Press enter to complete that part. Then it is asking to specify a base point. Now I am selecting the base point as this particular coordinate point. Then keep the point somewhere here. This is my destination point. Okay, keep the point somewhere here. That is my destination point. Then enter to close the command. Okay. In this way, we use the move and copy commands. Next command, this is the stretch command. If you go to the stretch command, you can stretch two sides of a rectangle like this. Select the rectangle, press enter, then click here, and you can stretch it like this. Okay, that is stretch command. Very rarely you will use this command. Next observe the rotate command. Okay. Here also, suppose I want to rotate this object. You have to hold the object somewhere here. Then you have to give some angle. Okay. That's why base point and angle is required for rotate command. Rotate. Shortcut for move command is M. Shortcut for copy command is CO. CO Y is the shortcut for copy command. Move M is the shortcut for move command. RO is the shortcut for rotate command. RO enter. Okay, I am selecting this rectangle, and with respect to this particular point, I want to rotate it in the clockwise. By default direction is counterclockwise. Okay, in the counterclockwise direction to an angle of 45 degrees. It is rotated to 45 degrees. Okay, with respect to this point, something like this, you can use the rotate command. I will delete this. Now I want to get this symmetric portion of this somewhere here. That means suppose I am having some steps like this. If I copy it, I will get another steps like this. But I want to get the symmetric portion of this steps. That's why instead of copying it, you can go to the mirror command. Shortcut for mirror is MI. Select this. Then after selecting the object, it is asking to specify the first mirror point. So this is my first mirror point. Then it is asking to specify the next mirror point, second mirror point. Second mirror point I can select here or at some angle. Okay, that is your, according to your requirement, you can select the position of the second mirror point. Okay, then automatically you will get the image of that. Suppose I want to get perfectly the vertical position, the mirror image I want with respect to a vertical mirror. Then you select 2 points like this. Then it asks you to specify whether you want to delete the source object, yes or no. This is my source object. If you press yes, this will be deleted and you will get only the mirror image of it. If you press no, this will not be deleted and you will get a mirror image of it. So I want to use no option. Then here, by default option is no only. That's why to use that no option, press enter only. Then you will get mirror image of it. So that is mirror command. Okay. I want to get the mirror image of it, but not at the same size. I want to decrease the size of it. Then in that case, go to the scale command. Shortcut is SC. Enter. Select this. With respect to this particular point, I want to decrease the size to half of its size. Then scale factor is 0.5. Enter. Now this is mirror image of this, and it is become smaller compared to this. I want again increase the size of this. Then again go to scale command. Select this point, and you select the scale point as scale factor is 2. Then do double. That is about scale. Next, another important modifying commands are trim and extend. Now after this is the circle, this is the line, like this. I want to have only this portion of this particular portion of the line which is inside of the circle. The portion of the line which is outside the circle I don't require. Then go to the trim command. This is the trim command. Select trim. Then first it is asking to specify the cutting edges. Okay. Now I am selecting. I want to cut this line with respect to this circle. Okay. Select this. Okay. Then you have to press enter. Then which object you want to cut? This object. Click here. Here also you want to cut. Click here. Okay. Enter. Okay. First you have to select the cutting edges. After that you have to press enter. Then you press the object which you want to cut. I am undoing. Again I want to demonstrate this. Go to trim command, TR, enter. I want to cut circle with respect to line and line with respect to circle. Then both of these two lines will become the cutting edges. Select these two, enter. Then click here, and here. I will get this portion. Okay. Next, again undo this. Another easy method is go to trim command. I want to select all as cutting edges. That's why no need to select individual parts, just press enter. Then click here, here and here. That's all. Okay, the simple method again, undo this. The simple method to use trim command is go to trim command, go to trim, then press enter and click on the portion where you want to cut the object like this. That is the best method. Okay. So here again I want to trim this. It will not be trimmed. That means this portion you are erased. At any portion you are not able to trim, that portion you are erased. That is the meaning of it. That is trim command. And observe this. Now the line is something like this. I want to extend this line up to here, and I want to extend this circle also up to there. Then go to the extend command. Go to extend command. Then press enter. Then all these edges will become boundaries. Click here. Then that will search for nearest boundary. It will be extend up to there. Then click here. This will be extend up to there. If you again click, then that will be extend up to that particular arc. This will be extend up to here. If you click this, this will be extended up to there. Again, if you click, that will be extended. Okay, something like this, you can extend it. Okay, so that is the trim and extend commands. Then I'll take a rectangle like this. I want to apply a small fillet. Then go to fillet command. Then it is asking to specify radius. Go to radius option. Radius you give us some 20. Enter. Now you click here and here. You will get 20 radius or here. Radius is 20. Here I want to get 40 radius. Then again go to fillet command. Now set the radius or enter. Set the radius as some 40. Click here and here you will get 40 radius. In the same way, if you want to apply chamfer, then go to chamfer command. For fillet, shortcut is F. For chamfer, shortcut is CHA. Chamfer, go to distance option, D, enter. Then distance will take as some 20 one side and 30 on the other side. Click here and here. First will be 20, second will be 30. Next time clicking here and here. First will be 20, second will be 30. Okay, you can check that. Here to here, this distance is 20. Here to here, this is 30. Okay, that is about chamfer command. And one more important and interesting command is, I'll take a small rectangle like this, or I'll draw a rivet like this, or you can call this as some donut. Okay. Now I want this in some 5 rows and 3 columns. Then you can go to this rectangular array, select this, these two. Okay. Then how many rows and columns you want? So columns, some 5, rows 3 or some 4. Okay. So with respect to some base point you can select, then otherwise OK. Zoom all. Now observe, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So in this way readily you can get various entities in various rows and columns. Okay. Another format in array is, I want to arrange this with respect to a circle. Then again go to array, but polar array. Go to polar array, select the object like this, press enter. Then it is asking to specify the center. This is my center. Okay. Now you are getting various options. Number of items I want to get 10. Okay. At what angle in 360 degrees or 180 degrees? 180 degrees means you will get up to here only you will get 10. 360 means total in 360. Okay. Something like this you can use 275. Any angle you can use. Okay. Something like this you will get in the polar array. So that is the array command. Okay. One more interesting command. This is offset command. You will get the offset of this particular circle at some 20 distance. At some 20 distance, I want to get one more circle inside or outside. You will get number of circles like this. Concentric circles or concentric objects you will get. That is the offset. So this is explode command. So this is used to divide the objects. Suppose here if I explode it, the one single piece will become into individual pieces. Now observe, this will become into individual pieces. Or if you take a rectangle like this, and if you explode it, that will become individual straight lines. Observe here. This array object is also split into individual circles. So that is the purpose of explode command. This is the arrays command. You can select and you can press enter for arranging the objects. Okay, that is the arrays command. These are various modify commands. Next, this is the annotate command. So here you will get single line text and multi-line text. Just go to single line text. Then here I want to write as rectangle. Just give some text height. That is the first point. If you click next point, the distance between first point and next point will become the height. And it is asking to specify the angle. Angle is 0 only. Press enter. Then you will get some. You can type the name as rectangle. Here if you want something like circle, you can write circle. Here you want to write as some donut, you can write as donut. Okay. In this way you can write text. You can press escape to terminate the command. Suppose you want to change the height, then go to that particular text, select it and press Ctrl 1. Ctrl plus 1 is the properties dialog box. Here you can set the height of the text. Here it is some 18. You can change that to some 15. This becomes. Suppose if I want to edit it, then go to ED. Edit text command. Select this. Instead of rectangle, I want to write change this as a border. Then just edit as border. Then that is about text command. Next, here you have so many dimension options. So select the linear dimension, the first point and second point. You can apply the dimension. For inclined lines, from here to here I want to apply dimension. Go to incline. For applying radius, get dimension. This option. This will display the radius. This will display the diameter. Okay. So in this way you can apply the annotations here. Suppose this dimension note is not clearly visible, then go to annotate tab, then go to this ISO 2005, then click on manage dimension style, or you type the command dim style STYLE, then you will get this dialog box. Then modify this, go to fit, and here adjust the scale factor to increase and decrease the size of the dimension. Okay. Then again come back. Now I will discuss about various object properties. I want to display this as in red color. Then go to this. Then change the color to red. I want to display this as in green color. Then change the property to green color. In this way you can change the object properties. There is color and line weight also you can apply. That means you can apply various thickness of the line. This you can see in the print only. It will not be displayed here. That you can notice in the print. Okay. So here you will have line types. Suppose I want to have center line, dash line, etc. Then go to this line type. Shortcut is LT. Is the command for getting this line type. COL is the command for getting this color dialog box. Okay. LW is the command for getting this line read. Okay. Now I am using LT. Load. Go to center. Scroll it. Then you will get center line. Okay. You will get center line here. Again load one more line. That is dash line. Go to dash. Okay. Okay. So here you will get center and dash. Change the line type to center. Go to line command and draw a line. You will get a center line. Change line type to dash and draw a line. You will get a dash line. I want to change already drawn this line to a dash line. Then select this. Come here and select this. Change it to dash line. Okay. In this way you can use the object properties. Okay. Now I have drawn one rectangle. I want to find the area of this rectangle. Then go to this object properties. Then go to area and select the rectangle. Like this area. This area, observe here, you will get the area. Okay. Then press layer. This is the layer command. So what is the meaning of layer is, instead of directly writing something on a paper, what we are doing is we are keeping a transparent sheet on the paper, and on the transparent sheet we are writing something. Then what is the advantage? You are not directly writing on the paper, you are writing on a transparent plastic sheet. If you don't want to see the content on that particular paper, you can remove the plastic sheet, and behind that plastic sheet the original paper remains safe. So that is called as that adding a plastic paper on the original drawing we will call as adding a layer. Okay. Here also, observe here a rectangle is like this. Okay. This is by layers, continuous line. I want to apply dimensions. Then instead of directly applying dimensions on this particular rectangle, I will apply dimensions on a separate layer. So that means a rectangle is there. I am not directly drawing anything on that rectangle. I am adding a plastic sheet on it, on that, and write the dimensions. And go to layer. Short name for the layer command is LA. Then click here. You get a new layer. Call this layer name as dim. Give a new color to this layer. There is some red color. Okay. Okay. Now keep this dim layer in the current position and apply the dimensions. This is 365. This is 2. Okay, something like this, dimensions are applied. Okay, this dimension lines, subsection lines, these are also continuous lines. Okay. Now I don't want to see the dimension. I want to see only the rectangle. Then go to these dimensions and turn off this bulb. Then you can't see the dimension. You can see only the object. So that is the advantage if you keep all the dimensions in a different layer. Again, I want to get dimension. Just turn on this. Okay. So get the dimensions. So in that way you can work with the layers. Okay. Next, see my other tutorial to understand how to use all these 2D commands for drawing various vision drawing problems.